Wow, that's a big truck speeding down the road. Look quickly, there's a toy here too. We're so lucky. It's a big green bulldozer. How awesome! Look quickly, there's a tail here. Let me see what it is. Wow, it's a rainbow crocodile toy. Its crawling motion is just so adorable. Look, what's this? Wow, it's a cute dinosaur. That's amazing. Let's listen to the sound of the dinosaur. Wow, look, it's a cow. Let's listen to the sound it makes. Hey, there's an elephant here. Elephant runs very fast and keeps making noises.